And within those 1,500 words, you want to scatter about 8 to 10 keywords that fit nicely in there. And those keywords are highly searched and highly relevant to your niche. And then you're found for the most searched words that people are looking for. And that gets you more traffic and obviously more high buyer intent leads. The next thing I want to talk about are citations in the map pack. So I just did a Google search for home remodeling New Jersey. I could have done home remodelers New Jersey or New Jersey home remodeling. There's many different ways that people search for the same thing on Google. And in order to get the most out of your website, you want to make sure you're found for all those different ways that people are searching. So I'll go over real briefly what's happening here on the Google page. This is your map pack. This is where you want to be because you're going to get about 80% of the traffic to this page, being in the map pack and being number one organically. In order to get in the map pack, you have to beat out your competitors' citations. And a citation is just your business name, address, and phone number as it appears in online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, stuff like that. The more connected you are to those kinds of online directories, the more Google trusts you. So you just want to keep up with those citations in order to get in the map pack. The last thing I want to talk about are backlinks and ranking organically. So a backlink is just another website that links back to you. It could be a blog about home remodeling and someone writes about you and posts your website and links back to you. That's the backlink, and the blog is the domain. Those backlinks help bring power to you, and they put you in these top spots organically, which again is where you want to be because you're going to get about 80% of the searches to this page. Organically means you're just appearing without an ad. So I'm going to show you a tool we use here that goes into some more detail about each website. So it's called Ahrefs. It's about $150 a month. It gives us insight into your backlinks and your referring domains. You want to have a lot of referring domains and you want them to be high quality. So it's good to check these monthly to see if any are broken or any are spammy or how many you're getting, because if you don't keep up with them, you can start to drop. So with that being said, you're ranking for 136 keywords and you're bringing about 62 visitors a month. And the keywords you're ranking for are in the top 100. And I'll go through these and show you, see if I can find any that are high buyer intent. In the meantime, I'm just going to go over one of your competitors, JMC Home Remodeling. I think they were in the map pack and ranking organically, but not in the top spot. 25,000 backlinks, 727 referring domains, ranking for about 5,000 keywords and bringing in about 2,500 visitors a month. So let's go back to you guys. And let me show you. Okay, here are the keywords. Home renovations, New Jersey. Very good keyword to rank for. It's high buyer intent. See how I didn't put in remodeling and renovations different. That might have to do with the name of your company too. 150 search volume. KD is 11. This goes to 0 to 100. The higher, the harder it is to rank for. So that's pretty solid. Good search volume. And you're in position 7, which is probably putting you on the second page. 90% of the visitors do not go to the second page. Kitchen Remodelers, New Jersey. Great one to try to rank for. 450 searches a month, which is a solid number. Great search volume. 7 KD, not too hard. And you're in the 12th position. So these are the kind of words you want to go back into your content and look for and see where they're at and see why you're not ranking higher for them. It could be your backlinks. It could be their placement. Those are all things you want to look at. Same thing. Kitchen Remodeling, New Jersey, 450, KD 8. You're in spot 14. So I hope this video was helpful, gave you some insight to how you're doing. If you have any questions or like to learn more about us, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.